What's up, Sonny? What'd you just do?
I did poopy in the potty.
You did poopy on the potty?
Yeah.
Cool. And what happens when you go poopy on the potty?
Mother truck.
Oh, yeah. Here's an old one, but a goodie.
Glue this.
Yep.
And where's the other ones?
You do more poopies, you get more monster trucks. That's how it works.
What's more?
You get one at a time.
More and more?
Check the back. What's on the back?
Is it a crushed car?
There's a crushed car in there, yeah.
And something else.
That's all you're getting, bud.
Something else. Something else.
I got the air conditioner on.
I know, but it's like it makes no.
The hat on. We gotta buy that one. We gotta buy Tony Woco.
Yeah?
We gotta buy these guys on here.
Oh, you got money?
No.
You just got poopy. Your poopy's worth money, obviously. They're worth monster trucks.
Where's my Tony Woco?
Next time you poop, you get Toro Loco.
Please.
No.
I wanna try. Please.
Tomorrow you get them.
Please.
Santino, we're not going to do this anymore if you can't enjoy just one at a time.
Please. It's Tony Woco.
I understand it's Toro Loco.
And the rescue.
Mm-hmm.
And black.
No, actually it's a Chroma Frost.
Please.
But, you know.
Please.
Sorry, kid. Look at this. He's trying to put the charm on. Really? Wow. All right, now we're not getting this. Are you going to be satisfied with just one for now?
Yeah.
Get over here. Open it up.
It's so heavy. And where's another one? My mom's and the freestyle are gone. My mom's and my Tony Woco is gone.
We're going to make a Monster Jam ramp.
Please.
Open that one up. Play with it. Got the lawnmower in the background. It's great. This is a great episode. Very cool. Let me see.
I want to make some ramps. Please.
Brutus!
I want to make some ramps.
Yeah, we'll make ramps.
Please.
Yeah, you want to do that now?
Yeah.
All right.
Where's
Old
the wind?
school.
Where's the wind?
Shot block.
Where's the winds? Where's the winds?
Go race him. See if he's fast.
I can't.
Put him down the ramp.
I can't.
Oh my god.
My back hurts.
Your back hurts?
Yeah. I
But
can't.
my back hurts. You got landscaping duty? Alright. Say goodbye.
Bye.
The Cranky episode of Santino getting a monster truck and not being satisfied. Say bye.
I don't want to say bye.
You don't want to say bye either? Bye.